Do I keep my Audible credits if I cancel Audible? So I currently have a single credit and I want to know if I will lose this when I cancel Audible. So let's take a look at this Audible support article, which is titled, Do I keep my credits if I cancel my membership? If we take a look, it says if you end your Audible membership, your credits will be lost with your other membership benefits. So of course, if you want to end your Audible membership, be sure to spend your credits before cancelling, else you will lose your credits. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, be sure to leave a like and a nice friendly comment. It lets me know that these videos helped and that would be great.